Catch that stranded dog. Hopefully he stopped. I don't know where he went, but hopefully he stopped. You'd think he'd follow the trail.
Yeah.
At least let's hope he did.
Yeah, it's funny how much they throw, though.
Oh yeah, they throw a lot.
Probably worse when there's less snow, isn't it?
Yeah. You get rocks and you get mud, all that wonderful stuff.
This would be pretty cool. My kids will be jealous seeing this. Yeah, it's actually pretty quiet once you get started.
Oh yeah, it's just the getting started that always scares every musher. And no matter how professional you are, usually it goes like that. You went this way. Every gradual hill that we go up, they're like pulling their hearts out. Oh my gosh. We usually have 8 dogs hooked up to this, but it's only my dad and I, and so we don't have to run 2 teams.
Yeah.
And we only have 6 because he has to run a team too.
Oh.
I don't think we have enough dogs that are able to run. Some of them are injured or in heat or something. There's always stuff going around with dogs.
Yeah, no
Never
kidding.
have enough.
They love this downhill stuff.
Oh yeah, they have fun with this. I have to go down a skiing hill on one of the races that I'm doing.
Oh, really?
I have to go up it, and then I have to go down it.
Wow.
Which is going to be pretty fun. But one person, it shouldn't be that bad. And I'm taking all 6 of these, minus that dog that took off somewhere. Hopefully.
Did you?
Yeah, that was one of the dogs that we were trying out. And, well, we'll see how he does. Hopefully he'll stay back. Well, he doesn't listen to his name. Come here, puppy! Well, maybe we can just chase him until he gets tired. But I doubt that'll be ever, because these dogs never get tired. Good puppies! Good puppies!
Yeah, at least he's hanging around you.
Yeah, maybe we can follow him at least. And send one of the sleds back, probably it'll be me, back to go get probably the Rogos with their snow machines. Catch up to them and get them. Go puppies! Come on! Good puppy! go. See, we're going just as fast as he is. I'm not holding on the brake. Now, if we were up there really close, I'd be holding on the brake.
Yeah, they don't stop squat, do they?
Nope. Too bad. This area isn't.
Yeah.
The one that we came in on was a little bit bumpy. Come on, let's go, puppies. Let's go.
I didn't know if I'd be able to handle the camera or not, but it's not too bad.
Yeah. Not too bad. As long as you ride with the bumps.
Yeah.
Now I'm slowing you down. This is a big hill. This would be a fun hill like to go snowboarding or something like that. If it was really good paved, you know.
Yeah.
Like this, it can be difficult.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here.
Yeah. Easy, guys. Don't want to get too close. Not very close. Ready, guys? Huh. Here.
Jihad.
The dog was like trying to keep up ahead of him. Go, puppies! Now you'll slow down. Come on, puppies, let's go! Good, puppies! Come on, Blackie, let's go! Let's go, big guy! I might give you a hand here. Let's go! Good, puppies! Now I'll give you a hand. This is too big of a for two people. One person, we'd be going up it pretty good. Two people. That's it. Good puppies. Good puppies. Where's the dog? Hopefully it's trained. Let's go, puppy. Bye, let's go. Yeah, he needs it. Don't see any little footprint. Go, puppy. Come on. You can keep right behind you. There's the ball. Oh. Those inward dips are really bad. Here we go. Let's go. G! Good puppy. Easy.